how to make a relaxing music video for YouTube. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make relaxing YouTube videos for your own YouTube channel and not face any copyright issues whatsoever. So firstly, I want you to come on to pixabay.com. Now guys, pixabay.com is basically a copyright free imagery and video website through which you can get yourself a lot of different things. So now I want you to click on the search bar and I want you to type in over here meditation. Now once you type in meditation over here, that is going to show you all the videos and images that are present in the meditation. So over here you can see that we have monks, like we have like all these images which are good, but we want videos. So click on this drop down button from the top and choose videos. Now once you choose videos, you will see all these videos come up. Ignore the videos up top because all of these are paid videos. Just take a look at the videos at the bottom. So you have like, basically these videos, then we have these ones, but this one looks really nice. So I'm gonna like basically click on this particular video, and yeah, so like it was a tag and now we can see like more videos in this niche. So like we have all these categories and then we have these videos up top. All these videos up top are paid, but like still if you can spend money for them, well then you can definitely use them. But if you want like free videos and stuff, well then for that we want to basically like just keep on exploring honestly. So yeah, I mean like just click on the sunset. Now you can see like more images, more videos. So over here you can see a lot of videos in the relaxing niche. Now over here we have B videos. So over here you can basically like essentially just get yourself any type of videos. So now from over here, click on videos again and then just simply grab any video that you would like. There are other places to grab videos as well, like pexels.com. So like on Pexels we're gonna do this very same thing. We're gonna type in relaxing over here. So now from over here you can grab videos the very same way as you were grabbing on Pixabay. So now from over here I'm gonna basically choose a video, and I'm gonna choose video from the top left as well. And once I choose a video, now I can essentially like just choose any video that I want which suits my relaxing nature of my video. So now I think that this video is really nice because like let's play this one. This one looks super peaceful, so I'm just gonna like play this. So yeah, I mean like this is actually really nice. I'm not sure if we could like loop this video, so I'm gonna like just like leave it. But then we have this one, so like let's play this one and let's see what we get. So like this is definitely a video we can loop. So like I'm gonna like click on free download from the top right, and once I click on free download, I'm gonna simply save it in my computer. Now once I save it in my computer, now I can literally just like start sourcing my music. So now I want you guys to simply open up a new tab, and I want you to type in over here YouTube audio library. Now once you type in YouTube audio library, open up the first link. Now once you open up the first link, now from over here you can essentially like find relaxing music for yourself. So I'm gonna type in relaxing over here, and then I'm gonna basically choose any music that I think is gonna go really nice with my genre of content. So I'm gonna like play a few beats in front of you guys now, and we'll see how they are. So like this one is really nice. Then we have another one. This one isn't really going with the video we have, so I'm gonna choose another one. Still not impressed, so I'm gonna like change this to sound effects, and I'm gonna type in rain over here. Now once I type in rain, I can essentially see like all the different rain sounds present. So I'm gonna play any one. Now this is not the one, so we're gonna like rain heavy load. Maybe this one is nice. No, this one is not nice because like the rain's speed is too much and the actual rain is slow in the video. This one looks perfect over here. Yeah, this one is perfect. This one is perfect. So let's grab this particular sound effect. So once I click on download, after that I'm gonna save it as well. Now you have your video and you also have your sound effect. Now I want you to open up any editing software that you use. I myself use Premiere Pro, so I'm gonna open up Premiere Pro right now. this is a paid software, this is not a free software, but like there are also like free softwares out in the world which you can basically get for free, like DaVinci Resolve. So I'm gonna create a sample now. After that, I'm gonna simply drag and drop the videos that I just downloaded from Pexels and all those different websites. So I'm gonna simply like drag and drop it right now. I'm gonna simply wait for a couple of seconds. And yeah, so now that I've basically dragged and dropped the videos over here, now we have two layers. So like this is very easy to get started with. I'm gonna simply right click and set it to frame size. I'm gonna click on sequence from the top and click on sequence settings, and then basically make it 1920 by 1080. Why? Because we want this to be in 1080p. So I'm gonna do that, and now I'm gonna set to frame size. Now I'm gonna play this, and this looks actually quite decent. So I'm gonna simply copy this particular video by pressing Ctrl+C on the keyboard, and I'll paste it over here multiple times so that we have a long video. So similarly, just simply like come over here, double tap on this dark space and press Shift Delete. Now we have basically created a loop. So yeah, like now we have a loop for ourselves, and now just simply like remove the rest of the videos and just simply like move it where the music ends. Now once you've done this, you have just created yourself a relaxing video. I mean, like this was not super hard, this is super easy actually, but there is more to it. I mean, like right now we just have a relaxing video. Now to make it more relaxing, I want you to come back to YouTube, and I want you to like click on free music, and then I want you to get a music track as well. So I'm gonna basically get a relaxing music track. Nothing too much, because like that really eliminates the whole purpose of a video like this. So I'm gonna type in relaxing. I'm gonna basically find a video. So I mean, like so I'm still trying to find a good music. So like this one looks nice, but then again this is like too much. So like we want something to be not too much, but like just enough so that it is calming. This one is nice, so I'm gonna grab this one. I'm gonna download this into my computer, and then I'm gonna simply like open up Premiere. I'm gonna drag and drop the music, and I simply Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, and there I have my video most probably. So I'm gonna play this now. This looks so relaxing, honestly. I mean, like I didn't know that it would be like so, I mean, like so good, but this is actually so good. Yeah, so like I mean, this is so nice. We have just created a meditation video, a relaxing video for YouTube. Now what you can do now is, using this particular editor, you can simply like choose the text option. You can type in over here relax. You can simply change the font from the right side to something something spiritual or something relaxing. So I'm gonna like do this. I'm gonna decrease the size. I'm gonna place it over here, and then I'm gonna basically change the font to something more relaxing. I mean, like honestly, nothing too much, nothing that goes too much to the face. So like I'm gonna just take my time finding a music. Yeah, so like there we have one. And now I'm gonna basically keyframe the opacity from the left side. I'm gonna take it to 0. I'm gonna play it for a few seconds. I'm gonna increase the opacity. I'm gonna play it for more. I'm gonna keyframe it again, and then I'm gonna lower this. So like now what I've essentially done is simply created a small fade in and a fade out effect. So like let's take a look at it now. So like this is really nice, and like of course like this is nothing too complicated, but like you can definitely like just keep on pasting it again and again, and like this is gonna just keep on repeating. So like for example, if I were to play the video now, like let's take a look over here. So like it is just coming again and again, and this looks honestly so nice. So you can just you can just literally copy and paste all of this over here, and now we can just simply like export this video by simply pressing Ctrl M on our keyboard. Now once we press Ctrl M, after that I want you to type in meditation videos. So after that, like simply export it. And once you have exported this particular video, I'm gonna show you how it looks on my computer, and we can literally just upload this on our YouTube channel as soon as it has done uploading. And then simply like copy and paste SEO and tags and titles from different videos. That is gonna like really help you rank your videos. So like here is the video. Now it is all completed, so I'm gonna simply like play it from the start in full screen. This honestly looks so nice, and I'm so proud of this video. You guys can honestly make similar videos as well for yourself, and honestly it takes like a couple of seconds. So guys, this was the video, and if this video helped you out, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.